For centuries, travelers crossing the African savanna told stories of a giant tree that looked as if someone had ripped it from the ground and planted it upside down. Some believed it was cursed. Others thought the gods had placed it there as a reminder of nature's power. As strange as those stories sound, they're all inspired by one incredible tree. The Baobab. Scientifically known as Adansonia, the baobab is one of the world's most recognizable trees. There are 8 known species, with 6 found only on the island of Madagascar, 1 native to mainland Africa, and another in Australia. Often called the tree of life, the baobab has supported both people and wildlife for thousands of years. From food and medicine to shelter and water, few plants are as valuable in the regions they call home. And once you see one up close, it's impossible to mistake it for anything else. The baobab is unlike almost any other tree on Earth. Depending on the species, it can grow over 80 feet tall, but what really stands out is its enormous trunk, which can reach more than 30 feet in diameter. Its bark is smooth and grey, while its thick branches spread out like roots, giving the tree its famous upside-down appearance. During the dry season, the baobab sheds all of its leaves, standing bare for months before coming back to life with fresh foliage and large white flowers. But that unusual appearance isn't just for looks. It's one of the reasons this tree survives in some of the harshest environments on Earth. Baobabs thrive in hot, tropical and semi-arid climates, where rainfall can be unpredictable. They prefer full sunlight and well-draining soil, and once established, they can survive long periods without rain. Their secret lies inside the trunk, which acts like a giant natural reservoir, storing water during the rainy season for use during droughts. That incredible ability has made the baobab far more than just another tree. For many communities, the baobab truly lives up to its nickname, the tree of life. Its fruit is rich in vitamin C and is used in drinks, snacks, and health products around the world. The leaves are eaten as vegetables or dried into powder, while the bark provides strong fibers used to make rope, baskets, and cloth. Even wildlife depends on baobabs, with birds, insects, elephants, and countless other animals relying on them for food and shelter. It's no surprise that a tree this useful became deeply woven into local culture. The baobab has been part of African history for thousands of years. In many cultures, it's considered a sacred tree and serves as a gathering place where villages hold meetings, celebrations, and ceremonies. One popular legend says the gods became unhappy with the baobab's pride and planted it upside down, explaining its unusual shape. Whether fact or folklore, the tree has become a powerful symbol of strength, resilience, and community. One of the most incredible facts about baobabs is that some are believed to be over 2,000 years old. Their trunks can become so large that people have used them as homes, storage rooms, bus stops, and even small cafes. And despite looking almost lifeless during the dry season, they're simply conserving energy until the rains return. If you live in a warm climate, baobabs can be surprisingly easy to grow. They need plenty of sunlight, well-draining soil, and only moderate watering once established. One of the biggest mistakes people make is overwatering them, especially while they're dormant. Given the right conditions, these trees require very little maintenance. Baobab fruit is typically harvested once it naturally dries on the tree. Unlike many fruits, it doesn't need artificial drying because it dehydrates inside its hard shell. After harvesting, The shell is cracked open to collect the naturally dry pulp and seeds, both of which are used in food products and traditional medicine. It's one of the few fruits that's almost ready to use straight from the tree. The baobab isn't just one of the world's strangest looking trees, it's one of the most important. For thousands of years, it has provided food, water, medicine, shelter, and hope to both people and wildlife. Its ability to survive extreme conditions is a reminder that resilience is often nature's greatest strength. No wonder it's known as the tree of life. Which plant should we cover next? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to Plantpedia for more fascinating stories from the plant kingdom.